Hello guys, this is Praveen. Welcome back to all of you. So today we are going to discuss about two vocabulary words that would really help you to insult your enemies. Like when we would like to insult someone like enemies or someone else, then we need to follow some rules and regulation. Like if you are just saying your words, then that those words can hurt him or her. If you're using a proper professional word, then it won't hurt, and still you can relieve whatever you want to do you have done without getting any kind of impact of that. Okay, so now I would like to give you two words in this video. First is dilettante, second is virago. Now we are going to discuss about dilettante. Dilettante means superficiality, a person who is or like seems to be interested in a subject but whose understanding of it is not very deeper, like serious person, like showing a lack of expert skills, kind of like you can say entry level person, fresher. Like there is a person who likes something and likes to do, so he has done, but he's not expert in it. Okay, like giving you an example for this, I would rather have a find fault with me like a friend than approve me like a dilettante. Okay, I'm just briefing you more regarding this. Okay, a person who regularly or occasionally engages in a activity as a pastime rather than as a profession. Like he was a dabbler, learning the basics of many arts but mastering none. So now I'm giving you some more sentences for the same word to understand how we will use. First, I really have no mind to turn info a dilettante spirituality. Second, dilettante gentleman may mourn a loss of feminine delicacy. And last, he wanted approval for his work, and for the work's sake, he was not an amateur or a dilettante. So now we are going to discuss about next one. Virago means turbulence, a violent or unpleasant woman who is often angry, bad-tempered woman. Okay, like the Brago woman out curses on the tramp, like his wife is Brago. Like a person who is too much anger, not always, oftenly. Okay, like Wonder Woman. When something happens, she starts violent. Okay, kind of you can use it. Like giving you some example for the same word. She is an Brago, so self-centered and even self-indulgent that she seems to care for nothing except her own career. There is no one in whole of the world who will disagree with the fact that her ladyship is virago, plain and simple. So now it has been done. So next we will discuss about two more vocabulary word in next video. I will soon update. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Kindly like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos.